Hey, it's Tony and Bowman with Hiking into Retirement. Hey, it's Monday morning and sitting around going, what should I do this week? And then I got a phone call from some friends and they told me about this cool waterfalls, Cummins Falls in Tennessee. It's supposed to be a great time. It's Bowman. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm thinking to myself, what else am I doing? Yeah, might as well head down to Tennessee and check out the waterfalls. So yeah, come along with me. I'm gonna leave Bowman at home. He's shedding pretty good and don't want to get him in sandy. Sorry, we'll go hiking when I get back home, okay? So, hey, let's head down to Tennessee. It's like a 6-hour drive and go see some waterfalls. Let's go. See ya. Well, I made it to Cummins Falls State Park. It's a beautiful day. It was a great drive, maybe 4.5 hours from my house. So yeah, so I'm at Cummins Waterfalls and this is kind of cool. Before you get on the trail, they have some walking sticks. So I guess people have left walking sticks and stuff. So, oh, what a beautiful day. It's probably 70 degrees out. Like I said earlier, yesterday I was at Bald Knob Cross, which was beautiful. So, drive to Tennessee and here I am. So, looks like we're gonna go to the waterfall overlook first. And then we're gonna try to get down to the bottom of the falls. So again, should be a fun day. If you've ever been, I'm sure you're sitting there going, oh Tony, you're gonna love it. But just a beautiful day for a hike. And just in case anybody's wondering where Bowman is, he's at home. He doesn't get in sandy. He has too much hair for sandy. So he's in the truck, but when I take Sandy out on the road, he has to stay at home. Like I said, way too much hair. So looks like a beautiful hike. So Cummins State Park, Cummins Falls State Park is a beautiful state park. And all the trails are well marked. Looks like they've had probably a few people here. I can't wait to see this place. I've been dreaming about it ever since we talked about it. So, stay tuned. Look at this. Amazing. Oh, I can't wait to head down. Man, this is beautiful. Just beautiful. Hey guys. Thanks for always going along with me. I greatly appreciate it. You know, I was just talking to my sister Kelly yesterday and just explaining to her, I am totally addicted to this. I know some of you are hikers and probably can relate with me, but oh, just being outside for free and seeing God's nature out here, God's beauty, is just amazing. I just love it. I could just stay out here all day, and it doesn't matter if it is a little forest trail close to my house or all the way in Colorado or something. It's just amazing what we have out there, and we pretty much just take it for granted. You know, my last job, I traveled a lot, and I would just blaze by all these signs of national park, national forest, stuff like that, and never stopped because I was always in a rush. Now I'm not in a rush, and it's just amazing to stop at all the places that I drove by. It's really cool. So I guess I just wanted to say thanks for going along with me. And again, I'm not sitting here trying to take you to places that it's going to cost a lot of money. I'm not in a big RV that costs a lot of money. I'm not doing touristy things, Disneyland or anything like that that costs a lot of money. I'm just trying to show that if you're poor like me, we can still have some amazing trips. Oh, this is going to be fun. So what I'm doing now, I just showed you the top of the waterfalls, and you can go all the way down to the base and then hike back up to the waterfalls. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. So again, I know a lot of people have already been here that is watching my channel and probably going, yeah, Tony, I know it. But for the people who have never been here, jump in your car and come to Cummins Falls State Park. And so far, I got a 1 thumbs up because I'm not at the base yet, but we'll see it here in a few minutes. So let's enjoy this. What a great day for a hike in the park. Okay, so down here at the base of the river, that was a pretty good climb. Boy, it is slippery. I just about busted me. That's what's ahead. Be careful. Man, what a beautiful day. It is just beautiful here. Look at these cliffs. Oh my God. Beautiful. Cummins Falls State Park. I can't imagine what it's going to look like once I get to the bottom of the falls. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, so if you come and you want to get to the base of the big falls, Cummins Falls, you have to cross that. And everybody says it's like waist deep. So I'm taking off my hiking shoes, and luckily I brought some Crocs. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so you know how you always get Crocs and you want them, what, like a couple sizes big when you're crossing? I don't think you really want them a couple size big. Okay. Well, this is the waterfalls that I want to get to, and we'll just see how deep it goes. Oh well. Oh yeah. Whew. It's getting cold. That's for sure. Okay. That kind of looks... Oh boy, is that cold. Good thing it's like a nice sunny day. All right. If you... Ooh. I'm telling you one thing. If I don't end up on my butt, I'm gonna be amazed. Amazed. Okay. Woo, doggy. It's cold. Youch. Deep. Woo. Ah. Oh. Okay. Maybe Crocs weren't the best, but I'm going to tell you one thing. Probably better than going barefooted. Okay. It is... I'm getting there. Okay. Yeah. That was fun. Well, I'm not quite there, so... Man, is it... Okay. Say, Tony, we know. You're in the creek. Or in the river. Of course it's going to be slippery. It is freaking slippery, man. Ooh. Just skating slippery. Oh yeah, Tony, we know. It's a river. It's going to be slippery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this though. Beautiful. Was it worth it? I'm gonna ask you. Look at that. Pretty freaking cool. Pretty freaking cool. Okay guys, yeah, so once you cross that river, sorry about the wiggle, once you cross the river over here, it's just nothing but rocks and no path. So yeah, this is kind of, I'm gonna try to hold this while I'm balancing over these rocks, but yeah, first of all, don't attempt this without any really good shoes that don't slip. But as you can see, well worth it so far. And I'm hearing the rumble of the waterfalls, so this is gonna be, wow. Oh, it's a roaring. First glimpse of it here. Still have to make my way over. Here's what I'm saying about slipping. You can slip here pretty easy, I think. Man, how beautiful. Oh, freaking awesome. Okay, I'm gonna try to go on this slick rock here. Make my way over. Just kidding. What a freaking reward. Look at this. Yeah, it was just a little difficult on some of those rocks, but let me tell you, this is freaking awesome. Look at that. And look at these cliffs. Why do I do this? I absolutely love waterfalls. Just amazing. My, if you could just feel the roar coming through here. Oh my. God's power right here. Just look at that water just billowing out there. My, oh my. Just incredible. Just incredible. Whew. Was that beautiful or what? Well, man, that was a great little hike. That was just so much fun and just beautiful. So I talked to, coming out of the park, I talked to a park ranger named Jordan, or a soon-to-be park ranger. Jordan, I hope you become a park ranger soon. He's been working here for 4 years, he said. But he thinks I should go to Burgess Falls. So I thought to myself, what else do I have to do tomorrow? Nothing. So I'm gonna look for a place to camp out tonight, and we're gonna hit Burgess Falls tomorrow. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a great day tomorrow. So it was a great day today. It still is. Still early. Well, not early, but I think this park is gonna close in about an hour or so, and eat some dinner and get rested up for tomorrow. So, all right, stay tuned. Such a beautiful drive down here. Well, what a day it was today. Man, I had so much fun at Cummins Falls. That was incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And is this a cool little place or what? But yeah, so tomorrow I will go ahead and head off to Burgess Falls. So that should be fun too. So I gotta, you know, wherever I go, I run into very cool people. So when I was coming out of Cummins Falls State Park, there was this cute little place, and what drew me to it was a big sign that said ice cream. And after hiking that, I was like, that's incredible. So I had to pull in there. Well, when I pulled in there, the coolest little store, and it's called Old Mill Camp, and here it is. Isn't that cute? Oh my, it's just, I've never seen a little place so cool than this. So what it is an RV park, but it's a little general store here, and it's just really, really cool. So I walk in there, I'll get back on. I walked in there and I'm talking to the owners, Joey and Tanya. And I'm talking to the owners, and they are the friendliest people I've met. So many cool things in this store, but they're closed now. I'll get to that why. So anyway, it's an RV park, and you know me, I'm in Sandy, and I have no place to go for the night. These people were so nice. They said, Tony, you can park Sandy in our lot when we close up tonight. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. They didn't know me from anybody, but they were like, okay, go ahead. They're right across the street from the entrance of Cummins Falls State Park. So my shout out is to Old Mill Camp, Tanya and Joey. When you guys come here, because I know you're gonna come here after seeing that Waterfalls, you're gonna come here. Make sure to stop into Old Mill Camp. Say hi to Tanya and Joey and tell them that you saw Tony and their store on Hiking into Retirement. And just great people, just great people. I think I might see them out on the road sometime. I think they want to build a Sandy like I have. But that's where I'm camping for the night, and it's going to be a good night. So there's some good people that are staying in the campground. So I'll reach out in the morning when we start heading to Burgess Falls. So thanks for joining me today, and it's going to be a good time tomorrow. So peace, hippies. Well, good morning. Good night's sleep last night, that's for sure. Well, I'm at Burgess Falls. So, got here, was waiting here when they opened. So, let's take a look, see what's going on. It's going to be... So, I just talked to the park ranger, and he said that along this hike I will see 4 waterfalls. And another cool thing is I got here so early, he said I'm the only one here, so should be kind of cool. So I guess this is the first one. Pretty cool looking. And we'll just head down this little trail and see what we run into. Man, little chilly morning, but it's always great just to be out on a trail. Doesn't matter. Pretty cool. Okay, carry on. Okay, Burgess Falls. Was it worth the little hike down here? Yeah, let me show you. So Burgess Falls and Cummins Falls, basically a day trip, so it was sure fun. Man, spending the day around waterfalls. I hope you enjoyed it. It was short, but well worth a couple of days just getting away. Gonna spend a little time here and then later on pack up and head back. But I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Just beautiful. Just beautiful.